Setting the thermostat in your rental home. Feeling comfortable in your rental home is being cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold out. Your thermostat is most likely pre-programmed with a standard heating and cooling temperature, so you will need to reprogram the unit to fit your lifestyle. While most timers are similar in their operations, you can usually find information for your specific thermostat printed on the cover of the device. Once you know the make and model of your specific device, you can also visit the manufacturer's website for specific instructions on setting the unit. When adjusting the temperature, be sure to select the mode to cool or heat. When you have the desired temperature, select the set function and wait 30 seconds for the unit to click. You'll want to make sure the temperature sets and does not default to the auto-set temperature. Once you finish setting the weekday schedule, the thermostat may prompt you to set the schedule for the weekend, holidays, or periods of time you are not home. This is a great way to save money on utilities while you're away. For more helpful tips and tricks troubleshooting issues in your rental home, please visit rentprogress.com.